to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious lasagna. So if you love lasagna, then today's your day. So if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Your support is everything to me, so thank you so much. And don't forget to turn on those notifications just in case when I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, so enough talking. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So in a deep pot, I'm going to add 1 pound of ground beef. You can use whatever ground beef that you like, along with a ½ pound of some sweet sausage. And over medium heat, I'm just going to brown up the meat until it's fully cooked. At this point, you can season your meat with some sea salt and some black pepper and continue to stir. So all of my meat is done cooking, and I'm going to take the meat off the stove and I'm going to drain that excess fat that you see. You're not going to need that. So now that all that fat is gone, I went ahead and I chopped 2 garlic cloves and I'm going to put that into the pot. And to make this really quick and easy, I'm ready to add 2 jars or 48 ounces of pasta sauce, and you can use whatever sauce that you like. And I'm just going to take a spoon and just mix everything really well. You can give it a good taste test just to make sure that your sauce is perfect. And over medium heat, I'm just going to let the sauce simmer and cook down for 20 minutes. So while the sauce is cooking down, let's get started on the cheese mixture. So in a separate bowl, I have 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. I'm ready to add 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. And I also have 3/4 cup of some Parmesan cheese. And now I'm going to crack 2 eggs. And now I'm going to take a rubber spoon and just mix everything together. And I probably should have mentioned this earlier, but leave your ricotta cheese out maybe 5 or 10 minutes out before you use it, just so that it'll be a lot more easier to mix. And I'm going to season it up with some sea salt and some black pepper. And I'm going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of some fresh parsley, but if you have dried parsley, you can go ahead and use that as well. And again, you could just take your rubber spatula and just mix everything until everything is fully combined and perfect. Okay, so I'm ready to make and build my lasagna. Before I do anything, I'm going to spray it with some nonstick spray. And I'm going to put some sauce on the bottom of the baking dish just so that the pasta doesn't stick. So now that the sauce is in the baking dish, and now I'm ready to lay down the lasagna noodles. Now I really thought I was buying the oven baked lasagna noodles, but I accidentally bought the ones that you had to boil. So just go ahead and follow the directions on the box, but you can use whatever lasagna noodles that you like. Now it's time to add and spread some of the cheese mixture on top of the lasagna noodles. And now I'm just going to repeat the process one more time. Depending on how deep your dish is, you could probably do it a couple more times. But yeah, I'm just going to do another layer of sauce and some noodles and some cheese mixture. So for the last layer of my lasagna, I'm just going to add 2 to 3 spoonfuls of some pasta sauce. And I'm just going to add my last layer of lasagna. And now I'm going to add the final layer of the cheese mixture on top of the noodles. And I'm going to top everything off with 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And a cup of Parmesan cheese. And off camera, I went ahead and I sprayed the inside of my foil with some nonstick spray. It's a really good idea so that when your lasagna bakes, it doesn't stick to the foil. So you really want to do that, and you want to cover it up really good. And I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 350 degrees, and it's going to bake off for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes of cooking, this is what the lasagna is gonna look like, and I set the oven on broil, so I'm just gonna put it back in the oven for 5 minutes so it can get nice and golden brown. So after 5 minutes, this is what your lasagna is gonna look like. The cheese is completely melted, it is golden brown, and it's really simple. It is really delicious, and you can let it cool down for a couple of minutes, or you can just go ahead and dig in, but just be careful. But that is it, you guys. So simple. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It will help my channel out a whole lot. Share this recipe with everybody you know. Take a picture. I would love to see it. Follow me, tag me on Instagram. And if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. So if you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and click that subscriber button down there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.